and welcome back to Grandpa Casey. Hey, I had a great show today. I want to talk to you about Grandpa's favorite rig. Whether you're a photographer, videographer, content creator, you've all faced many problems with lighting and equipment, and you need something that's very versatile. Well, I'm going to show you my favorite rig that's so versatile, you can't beat it. So stay tuned, and we're going to get into it right now.
You do a lot of product reviews like I do. You probably have had the problem with trying to use a small tripod, getting the lighting just right. With the GorillaPod and a light such as this Ulanzi, I can move or even hang upside down my lighting so that I can create the shot that I need to do.
Now, the first part of my rig is a Joby GorillAPod, and it comes in a regular 1K and a 5K rig. And I'm going to tell you something. I've had this particular 1K for over 3 years, and it just takes the beating and keeps on ticking. But they've come up with a new 5K one, which I want to get into with you. So instead of having 3 legs, which you can manipulate and go into any type of situation, it has 5. So not only that, you can manipulate the legs in any particular situation. You also have 2 additional arms, which now you can have your camera, your light, your cell phone, all on one rig, or you can bend the arms to hold it. Absolutely great. Let's get into this even further. Now, I've had the old version for over 3 years, and one thing I like about Ulanzi products is that they, like the Joby GorillAPod, they last. One of the things I can't stand is when you buy a product and it falls apart after a year or 2 years. I need something, I'm on the go doing photography or whatever I'm doing. I need that product to hold up. You hear what I'm saying? So the old product is very similar to the new product, except this one has easier color controls. That means that you can adjust the color back and forth. You can adjust the brilliance. And like its predecessor, it has 3 hot shoes on it. And it can be either cold shoe mounted or on a tripod. Now, that is part of the greatest part of this. With that, if you're a photographer like myself and a content creator, being able to adjust the hues, the lighting that you're trying to get to, makes this one of the best lights. And the price is so incredible. For $30, I got a light that just can't be beat. You hear what I'm saying? It can't be beat. I mean, I have various lighting. Don't get me wrong when I talk about lighting. I have all kind of lighting, but this is one of the products. Now, this on only that, this one has magnetic on the back, which means if you have a metal pole and you're setting up, you could pop this and pop it on a metal pole or a metal shelf and add lighting. Just makes this so versatile. It's incredible. We've all had those hard to get into positions. When you're carrying a regular tripod and you're trying to get a shot or put the lighting a certain way, being able to bend the legs and move them into various positions just makes it so much easier. And because it has a regular on the top tripod mount over here, that makes it very simple. Now, this is the older Ulanzi light, and I showed you the new one. But what makes this nice, for instance, in this particular situation, I have that has 3 hot shoes on the light. And that's great because I can put on a microphone, I can attach a camera, and I can have maybe my something else right here. And I've done that, and I'll show you a couple of clips where I haven't used it in lighting when I was doing a PC recording. What also is very good about this situation is that it's very versatile. Now, I love Ulanzi products. They also make a quick release. Like I use a Mevo camera for a lot of my church recording and certain sports recording. And this one has a quick release. You press the 2 buttons over here, pops apart. And then I can switch this and I have another stand, and I can put, let's say maybe I have a different type of camera and I can pop it right on. Kind of makes this rig versatile like unbelievable. And if you're like me, like I said, I'm a content creator. I'm a photographer. I need to be able to get in and move my lighting, my camera, everything very easily. So I'm going to leave you the links to those various products. And I showed you the old and I showed you the new, but they are really, really fantastic. There's nothing better that I have found. I'll leave you the clip of where I was using it when I was recording a PC video installing lighting. But just being able to move around, attach it to a branch, attach it to this, attach it to that, fold it, move it. That makes this absolutely one of the best combinations for you. I hope this information has been great for you. Hey, give us a like, give us a subscribe. I'll leave you the links. If you have one of these products, give me a comment. Tell me how you like it. I know I love it. For 3 years, I've been using this product, and I don't go anywhere without it. Anyway, this is Grandpa Casey out. Until next time, I've got a lot of videos coming down the pike. I've got microphone reviews. I have some product reviews. I've got some versus reviews. You're not going to miss them. So again, subscribe and don't forget to give us a like. Have a great day.
Hey, thanks for watching. Check out our other videos, like on this review of the GorillaPod and the Ulanzi light, which is great to help you when you're doing your video recording. Anyway, this is Grandpa Casey out.